Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to turn off SOS only on iPhone iOS 16. This common problem can be fixed by connecting to your cellular data carrier. So navigate your settings and then turn on and off your airplane mode. This will reconnect your device and disables the SOS only option if you're located where cellular data is served. And if the issue persists, then access your mobile data settings. And make sure that your mobile data option is set to your primary SIM card. And then back in your settings, disable your VPN connection. And then check your iOS update in your software update settings. And if there is an update available, proceed to download it and restart your iPhone once the download is complete. And of course, you might need a Wi-Fi connection to download the most recent iOS update. And then finally, after restarting your device, the SOS only option will be fixed. So make sure to follow all of these steps, okay? So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.